You're either thinking of going to Huaraz or you're already there. And if you're planning on doing Laguna 69, in this video we go to Laguna Wilcacocha and Laguna Churup to acclimatize to make sure that we are ready for the high elevation. Stick around to see how it went.
We just got dropped off. That is where the trailhead begins.
This is the short, steep hike at about 4 miles and 1,800 feet elevation. Let's start the ascent. We're just approaching a small village after that cemetery. I think it's Santa Cruz. There's a T in the road. Oh, this little puppy. Oh, these flowers smell so good. So sweet. I would consider this a cultural immersion hike with all the wildlife and locals around the area within the pueblo. I wasn't expecting this. Great acclimatization hike. Beautiful views around it, but the lake ain't much special.
There's some pretty ducks.
We're sitting at 3,725 meters, this many feet, at Laguna Wilcacocha. There's still a beautiful view of the city of Huaraz as well as the Cordillera Blanca. More like a pond than a lake, but it is pretty cool.
It's a lagoon, honey, it's a laguna.
Nestled within the Cordillera Blanca mountain range with spectacular views and a beautiful glacier lake.
We are doing Laguna Churup today. The hike is about 4 miles and
About 600 meters, I would think maybe 2,000 feet elevation.
it took about 45 minutes to get here. Ready?
Let's go.
We got picked up around 8:30, but I did read online that you can leave by 7:30 at the earliest. And we are starting the hike at 9:30.
Another steep and short hike. If you're thinking of doing this before Wilcacocha, all I recommend is coca leaves and coca tea.
We're walking for maybe a mile. And now we're reaching the pay station, I believe, at the National Park entrance.
Alright, off we go. It's 30 soles per person, and you just have to register, put your name down, passport number. Looks like we're at another cross point. There might be a fork in the road where you go up to an overview or go to the lake. We're going to decide to go to the lake, I think, especially because the mountain is clear right now. Alright, we've reached a point where you have to do somewhat of a climb up these rocks. It's a little bit of a scramble, but there is a chain with rubber around it so you can pull yourself up. You'll see how it is right now. It's not too steep, it's probably about 50 feet up.
Less than a mile to go. Whew. I'm out of breath though.
There you go, good job. We've made it. We're gonna get some lunch now. Enjoy this view. So we are heading back now. We just had some lunch and enjoyed this beautiful view for about an hour and a half. So
Now we're gonna take this way to the Mirador and there's a loop and then we'll go back. It's so blue.
woo! Woo! We made it! Ow!
Ow, ow, ow! Laguna Churup!
Churup!
Churup, Churup.
that's a wrap. Thank you so much for watching the video. Hope you enjoy one of the 2 hikes or both. We did. And make sure you hit that subscribe button to check out more of our videos in the future. Have a good day.